Welcome to Animals TV!
Hello, little explorers. Today we'll meet the gentle giant of the jungle, the elephant. Listen, can you hear that? The jungle is waking up. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They have gray skin, big ears, and long trunks. That trunk is super special. It's like a superpower tool. Did you know an elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles?
Lifts the leaf. It is super strong.
They use their trunks to eat, drink, and even greet friends. Look at those shiny tusks. They're actually teeth. Elephants use their tusks to dig for water and peel tree bark. Strong body, kind heart, that's an elephant. Big elephant ears aren't just for listening. They work like big fans to help elephants stay cool when the sun gets hot. When the weather gets really warm, elephants use their trunks to spray water all over their bodies, just like taking a shower in the wild. Elephants also love rolling in cool, wet mud. The mud works like sunscreen, keeping their skin safe and soft under the bright sun. Now, let's take a little trip around the world and discover where elephants live, from the wide plains of Africa to the deep green forests of Asia. African elephants love the savanna, a vast land full of golden grass and scattered trees where they can walk, eat, and roam freely all day long. Asian elephants, on the other hand, prefer shady forests with tall trees and cool rivers, where they can hide from the heat and enjoy calm, green spaces. Because elephants are so big, they need to drink lots of water every day, sometimes more than 50 gallons. That's a whole bathtub full of water. Elephants absolutely love water. They splash, swim, and play together. Baby elephants especially enjoy chasing water with their tiny trunks. Elephants are family animals. They live in close groups called herds, where everyone knows and helps each other, like one big, happy family. In every herd, the oldest and wisest female, called the matriarch, leads the way. She remembers the path to water and teaches the young ones how to stay safe. Baby elephants, called calves, are full of energy and curiosity. They love to explore everything around them. Right after birth, a baby elephant can stand and walk within just a few hours. Amazing, right? The whole herd helps take care of the baby, keeping it safe and loved all the time. Elephants are kind and caring. They never leave a friend or family member behind. Now let's see what elephants eat to stay big, strong every day. Elephants are herbivores. That means they only eat plants, like grass, leaves, and fruit. They spend many hours each day eating, almost 16 hours. An adult elephant can eat around 300 pounds of food a day. Their trunks are amazing tools. They can grab food, dig for roots, and even peel bark from trees. With such strength and teamwork, elephants always have enough food for the whole herd. Time for some fun elephant facts. Did you know elephants can swim very well? They use their trunks like snorkels to breathe while swimming. That's clever. Baby elephants love playing in the water, splashing and running after each other all day. Elephants also love to play with dust. They toss it on their backs to keep insects away. Did you know elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror? That means they're really smart. They have great memories. Elephants can remember places and friends for many years. Elephants talk in special ways. They make deep rumbles that other elephants can feel through the ground. Their big ears can hear very low sounds from far, far away. Elephants sleep standing up for short naps, but they lie down when they really want to rest. Even when they rest, one elephant always stays awake to keep the herd safe. Elephants are not just big and strong, they help nature in amazing ways every single day. When elephants walk, their heavy steps open paths for other animals to travel through the forest. Elephants often knock down trees, but that helps sunlight reach the ground so new plants can grow. When they eat fruits, elephants drop seeds everywhere. They're nature's best gardeners. Their dung may look messy, but it's full of seeds that help forests grow strong again. By digging for water, elephants create small ponds that other animals can drink from too. In Africa and Asia, elephants help keep the land healthy and full of life everywhere they go. Without elephants, many plants and animals would lose their homes and food sources. That's why people call them ecosystem engineers. They help shape nature's balance beautifully. So remember, elephants aren't just gentle giants. They're heroes of the wild who protect our planet every day. Sadly, many elephants today are in danger because their homes are getting smaller every year. Some people still hunt elephants for ivory, which hurts and scares these gentle animals deeply. But there's good news. Many kind people around the world are helping to protect elephants. Conservation groups work every day to plant new trees and create safe areas for elephants to live.
They are so big.
Some rescuers even help orphan baby elephants, feeding them and teaching them how to survive in the wild again. Villages near elephant habitats are learning to live peacefully and share land with these amazing animals. Every tree we plant, every forest we protect, gives elephants a better chance to have a safe home. We can all help by caring for nature, recycling, and never buying anything made from ivory.
Look, they're
Together,
crossing the river now.
humans and elephants can share the
Absolutely
planet
majestic.
and keep
I
it
can't believe
beautiful
we're this
for
close.
everyone.
Got it. The lighting is perfect.
When we protect elephants, we also protect forests, rivers, and all life that depends on them. You've learned so much about elephants. Now let's see how much you remember. That's right, elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants like grass and fruit. Question 2. What do we call a baby elephant? Can you remember? Yes, a baby elephant is called a calf, small, cute, and full of energy. Question 3. What can an elephant do with its long trunk? That's right, they can grab, drink, and even say hello with their amazing trunks. Great job, little explorers. You really know a lot about these gentle giants now. Let's do a quick recap to remember the most important things we learned today. Elephants are big, kind, and clever. They help nature grow and make our world a better place. You've done an amazing job learning about elephants today. Give yourself a big round of applause. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can join us on our next wild adventure.